Hello. Jotono sarikaham sini joto chobani senkra sini joto warrior sokno tai joto sini khapangni sini hani joto chobani senkra krokno hamjakma tai chobani chibai ang tini Facebook live norok ni biskango faine nangmani obono khana je 2nd June 2025 je Gumoti district ni 8ta block 3ta subdivision te kaise district magistrate ni je office no sing totally je 60 khaina naimani close khaina naimani obonoti kisa update tai lukurok ni buskango kisa kok sanani bagino ang Facebook live bo dinima phaikya live like hambai jotono no joto sini support sing joto sini warrior sokbai kok dukni bisingti kringni tongo sini south district ni warrior sokbai bo sing kok dukni bisingti kringni tongo in fact kabangma organization je tongnai ro borok bo khanani je Gumoti district no youth tipra federation ni bisingti je shat khaina naimani close khaina naimani obono support khaina ni bagai khanani salo phaibai nai in fact blai ke hambai maro sini tipra women's federations ni leadership ri tongnai rokno borok bo khanani salo phai chobawo sungbai support khaina ni bagai borbo phainai thasingo just ani thani information sokpaikya je additional SP Gumoti district ni sini tongnai additional SP Sobik de bo kaisa news media ni bisingti okok no sanani chaitokha khanani je youth tipra federations ni bon dag okjakmani Gumoti district no borok abono romna ni bagai kasuna ni bagai 1500 plus police force including TSR sokno tuwei deploy khaine hne je borok ni statement romani abo sung saiman kha tai khanaka sung khanani je sini movement khanani je sini agitations khanani je sung ban je dagok mani Gumoti district ni bisingo borok khai 1500 police deploy khainai sung ka 5000 plus warriors rokse sung khana ajaga attend khlai khanani je sini agitations je sini movement je ban khaina naimano sung success khlai phunuk nai haisi ang joto sini YTF ni warriors sokno haino hai taise koinai joto warriors sokno time ni sai sakang phai khana sok paina ni bagai joto warriors rock time ni sakang phai sok pai khanani movement no participate khaina ni bagai joto warriors rock time ni sai sakang no phai aro in discipline babe ya woi discipline babe in a disciplined manner khanani movement no success khlaina ni bagai tabuk bo sung je press meet khaimani pore already 24 hours lai thangka government of Tripura rokni kuno statement sung mania kho government of Tripura ni kuno response sung tabo maya kho government of Tripura rok obono list bother khlai obono ignore khlai tongmani sini mokol ni buskango sung flang kai nugui tong haisi so through this Facebook live I would like also to convey a clear message to the government of Tripura they should take this matter seriously as much as quickly as possible haisi otherwise they will have to face the consequence in the days to come sini agitations no sini movement no more intensify sing khlaine haisi khana hangkai just starting se sini bagai judi khana ni bisingo positive response nu gya hangkai positive kuno sign sing mani hangkangke sini YTF rok ni bisingo not only Gumoti district it will affect even West district ong nai South district ong nai Unukoti district ong nai nini Sipahijola district ong nai nini North district ong nai Dalai district ong nai joto jaga no Tripura ni binno jagao ong nai haisi So government of Tripura obono serious note khlai dakti khai step nanani nangu sini ha bubagra jotono saimanu the most influential leaders entire Northeast ase o entire Northeast ni most influential leaders jefru public ni upliftment ni bagai Gumoti district o tongnai gorib ongsho sini borok rokni development ni bagai projects ni bagai samung je ruki ui tongmani no expedite khaina ni bagai malanya naimani je ignore khaijak mani disregard khaijak mani abono kunu mote khaipano sungsiring kai tongmania gosimania in fact it is not the fight for only YTF alone this fight hinkai joto tiprasani sini respect ni bagai tiprasani honors ni bagai tiprasani choba se haisi nini je jagawo honorable Minister of Home Affairs say sini His Highness no Maharaj ni borom ruwei multiple time malai ni bagi kok saitong manu je jago Prime Minister Narendra Modi malai manu je jagawo nini kabangma cabinet ministers ro central lo tongnai malai manu Khoroksa district magistrate othoso nini district magistrate abaje administration ni officers ro jesini public representative brok by kaham halok naragei public ni betterment ni bagi samung khaina nangma jorawo je disregard khaijak mano YTF kunu khaipano gosiwi mania haisi so khanani chobani bisingtei sungobono clear message government of Tripura no send khlainai convey khlainai je dakti kha step nananing to action nananing to in fact the BD Prime Minister Excellency the award manka sini torit kanti chakma abono fanase rosai nanani nango haisi obo hai VIP attitude VIP the culture VIP the bini behavior obo kunu khaipano Tripurani hastewo tongkusang boyar nainai takuk song development nainai tiprasarok development nainai kabangma ongshoni community ni bororok obono kunu khaipano gosiwi mania haisi aboni bagai ang sanai YTF rock tomorrow jotono kebo nogo asuk tongyawoi in fact not only Gumoti district ni YTF simia joto ongsoni YTF rock khanani salo nongkhornani nangnai phainani nangnai o chobo nongkhornani nangnai haisi sung ang haino hai repeat ma khaya subik the day additional SP statement rikha 1500 plus borok khana borok ni the force borok deploy khaine hine including TSR sokno sini youth Tripura federations ni the dagok jak banno kasunani bagai haisi sung kunu khaipan mani mania khanani sal sung peaceful babe no democratic ni babe the law and orders no kaisapana sung violate khayawino sung khanani je chobano khlainani thangai tongo judi no obo hai khlai tini suno stop khainani naikyanke sini rights no seknani naikyanke YTF will respond with a strong message haisi ga aboni bage ang sanai joto YTF ni warriors rock get ready for tomorrow's movement joto no phaibedi time to time phaibedi tai ang haino hai repeat khayo haisi total sini bisingo total tongo 8 ta block tongo 8 ta block tamtamo block tong nini matabari block tongo azagawo Gumoti district bisingo nini tepania block tongo Gumoti district ni bisingo nini killa block tongo aro ni bisingo nini kakrapon block tongo aro ni bisingo nini Omorpur block tongo aro ni bisingo nini Ompi block Karbuk block Silasori block o block rokbo khanani salok closed engnai shat engnai YTF ni warriors rock sini Tripura hani warriors rock sini TWF ni warriors rock obono khana strong babe sung ma khlainai not only that sung blaike happy kabangma organization ni borok sungme kok duk tin bisingti krungi tongo abo borok bo sono khana support nani ani je movement no jotono time to time phai sok paina nangnai tai kebo indiscipline ingya woi kaham kerengkai sing khanani movement ni bisingo thansani choba ma phunuknai thansani marima phunuknai kaisatai kaisana hamya sanani thangya kaisatai kaisana chaya phunuknani thangya kaisatai kaisani birut choba khainani thangya o choba hangkai tiprasani rights ni choba o choba hangkai Gumoti district ni public ni rights ni choba o choba hangkai je VIP culture khlaiye জনগণ ni development no rukiri tonmani VIP culture ni bisingte জনগণ ni je samung no stop khai tongmani obono jobab rnani bagise strong response rnani bagi strong message convey khlainani bagise khnani YTF ni joba haisi so TWF roxini leaders rokbo dakti no phai manjak phaike blaike chanai not only TWF nini ti pramod hani joto warriors rokor phai manjak phaike blaike chanai tai TISF Tripura Indigenous Student Federations ni leaders rokbo dakti bongni warriors rok ni bisingti phai sokpake chanai not only that azagao joto tongnai am janta rok public rok borok bo phaimang khangkai blai ke chanai tamni kai sino o choba Gumoti district ni public rok no gorib ongsho borok rok no je sini luku rok no justice renani bagi khanani choba rights renani bagi khanani choba koroksa the most influential leaders northeast ni entire northeast ni bono disregard khaimani not only sini his highness no disregard khaimani klaya abo entire tiprasa no disregard khaimani klayo haisi over high disregard khaimani no sing khana strong jawab sing renai strong message sing renai haisi jesekmano police 1500 plus bongni force mano deploy khaitu sing YTF warriors rock YTF ni sengkrak rock khana sing a barriers no par khai sing thangai khanani movement no sing success khlainai abong khasini promise abong khasini samai haisi abon bagai norok jotono nang haino hai taisa khani hamjakma tai chobani chiba yafari khanani salo malai finai khanani salo malai lainai tai khanani o chobao sungjo to palbak sakai thansa tongmani bisingtei sing success khlaine haisi sini YTF